Not too far back, Tech Rover Didactic contributed to Samarthodyog by adding 25% to the talent pool of 100 plus summer interns of IITT-AI Foundation for Smart Manufacturing. Samarthodyog is an Industry 4.0 initiative of Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises aimed at facilitating the adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies by small and medium enterprises in manufacturing sector. The IITT-AI Foundation for Smart Manufacturing is a unique experiential and demo center that is dedicated to supporting and developing technologies and pedagogical programs for right understanding and implementation of concepts of smart manufacturing. In this video and the upcoming series, Smart Manufacturing Interns will share their remarkable experiences about this program. We aim to forge connections with potential employers and collaborators who can fully recognize and appreciate the value they can bring to the table. Let's come forward to help in providing opportunities to these smart interns and help us to construct a smarter and more interconnected world.
I hope you are doing good. Today I want to take a moment to share my incredible experience as a summer intern at IIT Delhi. My name is Sadhika Gamuthu. I have been lucky to be a part of this amazing program, Summer Internship at IIT Delhi, Foundation for Smart Manufacturing. It is also known as IAFSM. Throughout this summer, I had an opportunity to work on some fascinating projects that focus on cutting-edge technologies like augmented reality, visual reality. I got hands-on experience with Unity 3D, Korea, SolidWorks, CAD design, etc. Of course, it was not all smooth sailing. I faced some challenges along the way, like understanding complex concepts, managing project deadlines, and so on. But with the support of my FSM experts and mentors, I was able to overcome these hurdles and grow both personally and professionally. Thanks to Anna sir and Vaibhav sir. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the professional experts and mentors at IIT Delhi Foundation for Smart Manufacturing Lab. Your guidance and encouragement played a crucial role in learning journey, and I can't thank you enough. I would also express my gratitude to Tech Rover for reaching out with this amazing, fascinating summer internship, and I'd like to thank all my friends and family supported me throughout this journey.